Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to translate documents with DeepSeek AI. I recently had a document written in another language and needed a quick way to turn it into English, so I tried using DeepSeek, and the process was surprisingly simple. After opening DeepSeek, the first thing I did was click the plus icon, which lets you attach files directly to the chat. From there, I'll select Document and uploaded the file that contained the foreign text. Once the document was attached, I simply type a prompt telling DeepSeek what I wanted, something like translate this document into English. Within a few seconds, the AI processed the file and generated a translated version of the entire document. What I like about this approach is that you don't have to copy and paste huge blocks of text, just upload the file and let the tool handle it. It's especially useful if you're working with reports, letters, or study materials in another language and want a fast translation without juggling multiple apps. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.